Parsons Boulevard and 89th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 89th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 88th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 88th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 87th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 87th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 159th Street.
That's right.
Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 159th Street through the rear door. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 85th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 85th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 84th Road. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 84th Road. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and Grand Central Parkway. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and Grand Central Parkway. Please exit through the rear door. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 82nd Drive. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and Goldfields Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and Goldfields Avenue. Please exit through the next stop is Parsons Boulevard and Union Turnpike. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and Union Turnpike. Parsons Boulevard and 78th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 78th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 77th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 77th Avenue. Next stop is Parsons Boulevard and 76th Avenue. Now arriving at Parsons Boulevard and 76th Avenue. Next stop is Casino Boulevard and 75th Avenue. Please exit through the rear door. Now arriving at Casino Boulevard and 75th Avenue. Please exit through the rear door. Next stop is Casino Boulevard and Aguilar Avenue. Now arriving at Casino Boulevard and Aguilar Avenue. Next stop is Casino Boulevard and 71st Avenue.
Will be given to people with disabilities. Also, please be considerate and give up your seat to the others. Thank you for riding with us.
Quería hacer termo entonces.
Para el dejamos a todos.
Para Play Center. ¿Tú sigues con lo de lo designado de la ribera?
Marcha que nos van a la vereda.
El otro día sacó un Gatorade enamorado. Y ahí decía prisa. Era gratis. Pero ese tipo, mira,
Pues sí, ahorita me dijeron es que papá con
Tarjeta muy efectiva.
y yo. ¿No? Aquí no.
pues ese va a pasar. Y ahí lo va a hacer.
Next stop is Casino Boulevard and Jewel Avenue. Please exit through the rear door.
Exacto, por lo menos. Yo les daba pero metía afuera, yo le decía, bueno, mañana la que me acaba de ver. Sí, ahí me la dio la parada. Sí. A las 7. Y después tengo hasta 8 por la noche por este calor que hace. Por el calor que hace y en ese apartamento lleno de sancocho. Es dominicano. Es como... No, pero ese mucho dominicano es parecido. El problema es que tiene mucho grano. Yo como me te ya un litro ahí.
Now arriving at Casino Boulevard and Jewel Avenue. Please exit through the rear door. Next stop is Casino Boulevard and Melbourne Avenue. Now arriving at Casino Boulevard and Melbourne Avenue. Next stop is Casino Boulevard and Queens College. Now arriving at Casino Boulevard and Queens College.